Welcome to Excel Logic People, where we learn different functions and the formulas. Today I'm going to teach you how to use SUMIF function. SUMIF function adds all the arguments that meet multiple criteria. For example, you have multiple criteria or condition and you want to sum up. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to sum up or add values with the multiple conditions or multiple criteria. Yeah, for example, I have the regions, and in each region I have the seller. Also, I have sales to each seller in a specific region. So I want to sum up the data which is when cell in column A match or is exactly to the cell in column B, I will take summation of data in column C. Let's say is equal to sum if was, then this one, comma, then I'm going to take this range, the range of region. I'm going to sum up the data in column C, which corresponded to the data in column A, and which is equal to this one, Dodoma, comma. Also, I'm going to take another criteria or another condition, this one, comma, which match with this one. This formula means that I will sum up the data in column C, where the data in column A match with the data in column B, and which is equal to the seller in column E. After that, because this is my range, I will apply $sign, apply $sign to the range, apply $sign. After that, click enter. Then if I want to get the name in column B, or for example database has sold how much, which is corresponding to the region Dodoma. So I have to drag, yes. So when I find this one, for example, in a database I have 0 cells. I have 0 cells in database. You can see there is no match between Singida and the database. So in order to take sum up, there must be match between the region and the seller. So when you find Singida and the database, there is no match. Singida database, no match between Singida and the database. So in order to sum up in this region, and the seller must match in this one. So there is no match between Singida and the database. While there is a match between Dodoma and the Faustine, you can find here Dodoma and Faustine has 1,000. And also I put here Singida and the database. Singida and the database. Now there is the match. It matches Singida and Singida database. There is a match Singida database, which is this one. Also, when I add up Singida database. Also it merges, that's why there is summation between this one 1,500 and this one, which will be 2,700, like this one. So there must be match between the region and the seller. If there is no match between the two criteria or condition, there is no any summation, or we cannot sum up. So I think you get me how to use some if function. So in this this formula means that you are going to sum up only the data in column A, which is equal to Dodoma, and the data in column B, which is equal to the Faustin. So there must match between data in column A and the column B. For example, as you see Singida database, which is this one. Also Singida database. So there is a match between this cell, Singida database, as in this cells. So for example, Mbeya Scrot. If you find Mbeya Scrot, there is no match between Mbeya Scrot, Mbeya Excel Master, another Mbeya Faustin 3, another Mbeya Faustin 8. So there is no match, there is no exact match between Mbeya and Scrot. So there must be in this column there must be match between Mbeya and Scrot. Let me say this one Mbeya. Also let's say now this one is Scrot. So now there is a match between Mbeya and Scrot, like this one. Mbeya Scrot, which is 1,000. This one. Also I can change this one, maybe 5,000, which is this one. Also let me add another Mbeya Scrot. This one. Also there is summation between Mbeya Scrot. Also I have Mbeya Scrot. Also I have Mbeya Scrot. So 5,000 plus 1,100. So the total, the answer is 60,100. This is how you can use SUMIF function. Means I have two criteria. I have criteria for the region, also I have criteria for the cell. Let's say I want to use this one to sum up the data which correspond to the Songwe Faustin 9. Let me write here Faustin 9. Faustin 9. I have 0 Faustin 9 which correspond to Dodoma. Faustin 9 which correspond to Dodoma. There is no Faustin 9 which correspond to Dodoma. But when let's say Faustin 9 correspond to Songwe, let me change this one. Faustin to Songwe. Now there is a match between Songwe and Faustin 9. Like as you can see, Songwe Faustin 9, I have 1,200. Also let me say also Songwe Faustin 9. Faustin 9. So there is two data, the two cells which match, this one and this one. So the summation will be 1,800 plus this one, and the answer will be 3,000, as you can see this one. So there is a match in the criteria between Songwe and Faustin 9. So this is how you can use SUMIF function to find or to make sum up. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos. Like, share, and comment. See me in the next video.